you are equally responsible for the plight of the Muslims of Gujarat. So you better not talk about Muslims.
No,
okay?
don't go into that.
And
Don't go into
Banjara,
that.
when he was in power, you people are also in power, but don't talk about Muslims at all.
Let us not, Jafarwala, Mr. Sareshwala, let us not divert this debate to somewhere else. We may discuss
Very
about
true.
your company,
Don't use
my
my
role,
name.
my party
Don't
role, your
use my
benefits.
name.
We'll have it
And you
sometimes.
ask, you answer me. Where was your
I know your rapport with Modi. Just think about, our Muslims. Don't think about yourself. Don't think about your benefit from Adani. I understand. Jafar Sareshwala, the benefit which you got from Modi, from Adani, I know. Don't get irritated. I know your company status. I know everything about you. Please
I know you are connected with Shankar Waghela, who is also one of the...
Have a patience to listen others. When your turn was there,
Don't use my name. Don't use my name. Don't use my name.
Have some patience. I will not say what you are worried. I will not tell about your company or your
Mahesh Jethmalani.
Your benefit.
Mahesh Jethmalani pulling you back into the debate.
Please keep quiet.
Pulling you back. 1 minute.
Please
One
keep quiet.
1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute, gentlemen.
Let this debate go on the point.
Gentlemen.
Mr. Sareshwala, I understand your anxiety.
Yes.
Let us talk on the point.
Yes. Now the thing is.
Arnab,
Mr.
when others were speaking, I was with a great
No, but you see, Mr. Shakti Singh Gohil, 1 minute. Mr. Gohil,
we know why Congress party is... We know the Congress party's anxiety. We know how you're trying to subvert all institutions to fix Modi. Mr. Narendra Modi is a major challenge. You don't know how to counter him.
He is a culprit.
You have lost to him
Chor ki
badly in
dadi mein
Gujarat.
tinka.
You have lost to
Now
him
don't
badly
take
in
his
Gujarat.
beef.
And
You are Prakash Javadekar. What they were doing.
I'm surprised that your party thinks...
Just listen others. I know you will not allow me to speak because you don't have the argument.
Take
so
him
you
on
have to
in
interfere.
Gujarat.
I understand.
What argument?
Because you don't have argument today. And you don't have arguments. That is why you are not allowing others to speak.
I wonder why there is so much nervousness.
Why are you jumping?
1 minute, please. 1 minute, please. I have a sore throat. I lose my voice like this. I'm trying to come in, but problem is neither is my frequency, decibel, amplitude or wavelength of my voice such that it will be able to interrupt you when you're in the flow of such a debate. And I'm happy Tista Setalwad is smiling. This is the first time I must say on Newsa that Tista Setalwad I've managed to make her smile. That's good. So yes, now my question here is this. Tista, I saw your hand go up, but I want to ask Mahesh Jethmalani one question, and you can counter him after that if you want. Now, Mahesh Jethmalani. Don't look so exasperated, Mr. Jethmalani. The fact is that you have painted yourself into a corner with your line of argument. With your line of argument. Now, the line of argument is Mahesh Jethmalani should have been the first person to say that as per the law, when you get new evidence, oral or documentary, which can add to the existing investigation, at that point of time, the CBI should interrogate him again and reopen the case. This is simple law. You know the law better than me. On the Newshour tonight, you should have been saying instead that immediately the CBI should take upon itself to reopen the case to include the testimony or whatever Vanzara has said and interrogate him again, and not just this case, all the encounter cases. But you're playing defensively tonight, Mr. Jethmalani, because you know that if you say that, you'll be in a fix.
Unlike you,
Yes.
When you finish your question, let me know, I'll answer.
Now, I finished my question. I have 2 more, but after your answer.
All right. Firstly, Arnav, unlike you, I don't make my judgments about law on the basis of Congress handouts. This is precisely what the Congress would like you to believe.
The Criminal Procedure Code is not a Congress handout.
1 minute.
The Criminal Procedure Code is not a Congress handout.
If you think that you have a superior view on law, it seems to be. To me, it seems to be, but you may be right. I will grant you that this may not be. But your view seems to be mouthing a Congress view. This is not fresh evidence. In fact, what Vanjara has said in his letter does not constitute evidence which anybody should be investigating at all. If Vanjara said, yes, I have committed a fake encounter, but I was ordered to do so by named individuals on such and such a date, then it would constitute evidence. Vanjara says it is not a fake encounter, it is alleged to be
Said
so.
that he was
And I only did
implementing
it
policy.
in pursuance of
This
a
was the
state
policy
government
of the government.
1 minute, Arnab, listen, I don't like, you may like the sound of your own voice.
That's
I don't
not
like
my
you
voice.
interrupting me.
That's
If
the
you want
voice
to
of Shakti
interrupt
Singh
me,
Goyal.
stay quiet.
And you are firing your arrows at the wrong person. Please,
Whoever it
Bhai
is.
Jetmalani, before you go, yeah, please.
But that's
1
a
minute.
voice which is that's a voice which is even more grating to me. But anyway, let me say this. Let me just say this. Shakti Singh Goyal will have his chance when he deserves it. He doesn't deserve it right now. Let me just say this. It does not constitute evidence in law.
I deserve it
because
right now,
This is not a
Mr.
statement of a
Advani.
man
Right now I
who's
deserve
admitting guilt.
It's not a man who's admitting guilt. Teesta Setalvad is rebutting you.
All right,
Iran's
can
been
I-
up for a long time. Teesta Setalvad to Mahesh Jetmalani. Before I go, carry on.
No, actually, I'm not only talking to Mahesh Jetmalani. I just wanted to respond even to Zafar because I actually want to quote from what Zafar Sareshwala is saying for a change. When he said that, you know what kind of communal-minded cop Vanjara is. My question back is, could Vanjara have been such a rabid communal-minded cop without Modi to back him? That's one. Secondly, when we are talking about subversion, and we are using the word subversion of the system and subversion of the CBI, and I'd like to also raise a concern that I don't know why the trials in Sohrabuddin and all are not starting. They should have started by now. When we are talking about subversion, I think the master of constitutional
Yes.
subversion is Narendra Modi.
For once,
Every single police officer, 1 minute, let me finish.
For
Every
one
single
for
police
once
officer
I
who
agree
is there
with Teesta
to open
Setalvad.
his
We are
mouth
the
and
same
point out the
wavelength.
illegalities
Start
of
the trial
Modi,
and whoever
whether
was
it is
guilty,
Rajesh
guilty.
Kumar or Rahul Sharma, have been charge-sheeted and victimized.
Arnab.
So has Anupam Gehlot and many others. So let's not say, pretend that the BJP and Modi are holier than thou. That's second.
No, but
lastly, I'd like to say,
you know-
I'd like to flag this issue again, that I would appeal to the BJP to ask for the further investigation of Haren Pandya's assassination. Haren Pandya was an RSS man. He's a minister, former minister, shot in cold blood on the streets of Ahmedabad.
Can
And
we come
why
back
was
to
he
Vanjara,
shot?
please?
Why was Mufti Sufyan
Can we come
allowed
back to
go
Vanjara?
Pakistan?
Can we come
Why
back to
did
Vanjara, please?
allegedly escort
No,
him?
can we come back to
Vanjara played a
Vanjara?
role in it.
And I have some
Vanjara
questions
played a
on
role in
Vanjara
it.
to you.
So these things need to
I want to ask you a-
BJP should not be selective in its asking for justice.
1 second.
It's very clear that BJP
on
is
Vanjara.
embarrassed by Haren Pandya's assassination.
Wait, you know, first of all, I find
Yes, but nor should human rights but even
We
human
know
rights
who.
activists should spread their
Ask for
motivated
Mufti Sufyan's
tentacles outside
return.
Gujarat.
Ask for Mufti Sufyan's return. He's a radical Muslim cleric who's an absconding accused number 1 in Haren Pandya's assassination. Why does BJP never ask for his return? Why does Modi tremble at the thought of Mufti Sufyan coming back and
We
facing
know
trial?
what
What's
you
it?
are targeting.
Answers.
We know why you are raising these issues. I think you can pursue it in your own way. You don't need to. BJP doesn't need to learn from you what the party needs to do. Okay, we know how you've been working
But
as a
it's a
part
public
of
forum
the
where we
Congress
can at least
conspiracy.
point out the
So please
hypocrisy of the BJP.
don't
The
try
act of
and don't try and
Vanjara's
teach the
expose
BJP what they
you
should
how
do.
you are
We
working.
know
Read the letter.
the entire.
This was your policy.
Mr. Gohel,
To
1
kill
minute, let him
innocents.
complete. Let him complete. Mr. Rao, can I come in 1 minute? I just want to ask the...
They're completely unconcerned
I
by
ask...
the political assassination of
I find it...
man Haren Pandya.
No, I find it... I'm sorry, but I find it very, very self-contradictory, this position today that so many of our panelists who are anti-Modi are taking. Let the CBI pick it up. CBI... Mr. Pawan Verma, CBI? Which CBI, Mr. Verma? What CBI? That same inefficient, incompetent agency which decided to shut down the DA case against Mulayam Singh Yadav after repeated flip-flops? The same incompetent CBI that finds no evidence against Pawan Kumar Bansal despite transcripts that name him? That same CBI is so active in this case? The same CBI said there was no prosecutable evidence against Bansal. And I want to ask you, for example, and Manoj Jha, both of you, because you are competing for proximity with the Congress party, none of you ask at that point of time. How unfair is it? How unfair is it
Arnab,
that the
really-
CBI did nothing on Pawan Kumar
Arnab, can you
Bansal?
let somebody speak here?
Go ahead.
Let me answer you.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
No, first of all, I love the way you become the devil's advocate. But the point I'm making here is, I don't care which agency investigates this. There is a serious issue beyond hurling political allegations at each other. There is a serious issue that a covenanted officer of the Indian Police Service, who is being investigated for a serious and heinous crime, issues a public letter saying that he was acting on the behest
After
of
7
people
years.
who are considered gods who are political leaders.
No, but
After
Arnab,
7 years, and by the way, I want to make two
Arnab,
quick
it is
points
only
there. Let me
Gujarat.
finish. I have kept quiet for very long. Please allow your panelists equal time or at least little bit
Let
of
him
time.
complete. Let him complete, Mr.
Two
Rao.
points I want to make. 2 points I want to make. I am amazed at the alacrity with which Mr. Vanzara is being disowned now by the BJP leadership and its spokesman. Secondly, the fact that he took 7 years to confess and name his co-conspirators does not mean that in any way his allegation is diluted. For up to 7 years he may have had hope that he will be somehow rescued from this by those whom he considered as God, but he's realized...
No, so a man,
by the very people who made him do that.
I contest that. I contest that. I contest that. I put that question to audience tonight. And I put that question to you and to Manoj Jha. A man accused in 3 fake encounter killings is patiently sitting in jail for all these years. Doing nothing.
No, can we say
doing
that
nothing.
last year
Doing nothing. And
he should be indicted for that.
And is it a coincidence that in a matter of 2 days, 2 stories appear that target Modi via Amit Shah? The timing of both, it can be argued, is suspect. Sting operation is shot in November 2012. Congress party has a press conference yesterday morning. Vanzara has been in prison for 7 years.
You can keep looking at timings in terms of political expediency. There is a serious matter before the nation.
Arnab, can I come in
There
here?
are many serious matters before this nation. Why does the
Arnab, can I
conscience
come
of
in
the
here?
JDU, RJD, Samajwadi Party, why does it get
Mr. Rao,
awakened
can I-
only when some
Arnab, can I come in here?
only when some encounters against terrorists are involved, only when Mr. Narendra Modi is involved?
Arnab, can I come in
Is it
here?
all not being done for the sake of
You know
vote
the
bank
problem
politics?
in that argument.
I think all the parties
problem
are
in
in
that
the same game.
problem in
There is
that
a
argument.
commonality. There is
Arnab,
absolute-
today
this is the only
BJP
reason.
is on a
This
back
is-
foot.
you
They
cannot
don't have any
that you don't
arguments,
listen to
and that is
the
why
argument.
BJP
You are
spokesperson is not allowing
You don't
others to
allow
speak.
us to participate in the debate.
You are
This
That
type
is
of
your
debate
problem,
can
Mr.
go
Rao.
on.
Silence 1 minute. 1 minute.
Arnab, can I
has no
come in
patience
here?
to listen.
1 minute.
Arnab, can I come in here?
I'm allowing Manoj Jha to come in. After that, Mahesh Jetmalani, I shall come to you. Please, one after the other. I know it's a hot
Certainly.
debate,
I'll
but Mr.
just-
Jha, answer my question on timing, which I had also
Arnab,
put
I'll
to
just take-
Mr. Verma.
Arnab, I'll stick to the timing, only
Yes.
40 seconds. First of all, a kind of quick observation on what Mr. Jetmalani said.
Yes.
That you don't require, in fact, reading that letter, that you should be aware of the complexity of law. A simple understanding of English tells you that it's a valid evidence to open the case. And now I'm not worried that don't give it to CBI, but make sure that when the letter writer talks about the existential crisis, if you go to the dictionary, it tells you that a kind of self-doubt and the police forces supported the state of Mr. Modi come out of the existential crisis. Please
Existential
remember that
crisis?
these are not simply
Existential
an ordinary-
crisis?
He wrote.
What existential
He wrote
crisis?
existential crisis in the
What
letter.
existential crisis? Is it a coincidence that the conscience of these police officers in Gujarat suddenly awakens after they have been silent for years altogether?
No,
Be it
there
Sanjeev
is
Bhatt,
something-
be
no,
it Sanjeev
no,
Bhatt, who in
no,
April
Arnab,
2011 filed an
Arnab,
affidavit with the Supreme Court concerning the Modi meeting, or Singhal or Vanzara.
Arnab,
Why did they not speak out for all these years?
20
Why are
seconds,
you not
Arnab.
questioning that?
You never doubted on earlier shows on the timing and the motive of other kind of expose. Today, please, I request you, don't doubt the timing, because there is a wide rumor going on in other circles of the media, in the print in particular, that this letter
It's a conspiracy.
probably has also been
Everybody can
augmented
see through
by
it.
a section
You
of
don't-
BJP.
You don't need to be a national journalist to understand this. A common voter on the street will tell you it's all a
No,
part of
there is a
frame-up
wide
with the
speculation
Congress party,
that one
with
of
the help
the section of
all the
BJP has
secular-
done it.
All the
What do you do
secular
about
parties
it?
to
Leave
prevent
that aside.
Mr. Narendra Modi's
Please deal
emergence
with the
on the
issues
national
raised by
stage.
Mr. Banjara.
You
So
have
no.
not succeeded in the
And that
past.
is in the
You
interest
shall not
of the
succeed in
On
the
a
future.
matter of principle,
You will not
That
succeed.
Mr. Modi is likely to be your PM candidate. and he's a destroyer of institutions.
On a matter,
he's a destroyer of democratic framework.
let them know why.
Declare him who is
and he
stopping you.
operates outside the law of the land.
On a matter of principle, my question is once again to Mahesh Jethmalani now. Mr. Jethmalani, you see, on a matter of principle, you are again on very, sticky wicket. Because when Pawan Bansal case came up, you said CBI must interrogate Pawan Bansal after its member Satyapal Jain produced documents, in which he claimed there are business links between Bansal's family and Vijay Singla, his nephew. That's one example. Then, you also have said act and interrogate when there are press reports. When there was this whole chopper scam, at that point of time, the BJP in Parliament pulled up the CBI for its failure to act on the chopper scam despite media reports. So at every point of time, you have been at the forefront of saying CBI must act, CBI must act, CBI must interrogate, CBI must reopen. So your position today, unfortunately, Mr. Jethmalani, goes against your own position in several other cases in the past. May I ask you to explain why this is happening? Could you please explain that tonight?
It could be because I'm an extremely inconsistent man, but then consistency is the hallmark of the mediocre. But that's not right, Mr. Goswami. You've got it wrong. Let me tell you
Which
one thing.
one?
As far as this particular case is concerned, there is no evidence. There is no evidence at all in the letter written by Vanjara. I have repeated this. Nobody on this channel is able to contradict
Mr.
this.
Jethmalani.
This case. Now, please let me tell you this and hear it carefully, because you claim to know law. Now, let me just tell you this.
No, I know very
This-
little bit,
in
but
this
enough to
particular
counter you on
case-
this. Yeah.
This is a case of 1 minute. 1 minute. In this case, this is a case of a fake encounter. Mr. Vanjara, in his letter, does not admit this to be a fake encounter.
So you admit
what
it's a
kind
fake
of
encounter?
evidence are you going to expect from this man?
Wait for another letter.
No, you.
I don't admit it's a fake encounter. That's for the court to decide. How can I admit it's a fake encounter?
No,
You're asking all the wrong questions, Mr. Goswami.
I'm not.
This is, if you want to be a persecutor, then at least ask the right questions, because yours are so patiently fallacious.